punch press machine. The frame is entirely welded with steel plates to ensure the long-term stability. Fanuc CNC system and servo unit have good performance, high stability, high-speed data processing capability, and easy operation. The high-precision thick turret is made of high-strength nodule cast iron with good guidance, high precision, and long service life. The worm and gear driving indexing system has compact structure, stable operation, high safety, and reliable precision. Ball screws, linear guides, pneumatic components, and electrical components are all world-renowned brands, which ensures the stability and driving accuracy. All forming tools are applicable including ruler, CNC punch and shearing combined machine. Kaifeng CNC punching and shearing combined machine is an innovative integration of CNC turret punch machine and right-angle shearing machine with efficient full shear and half-shear functions, high machining precision, good flatness and smooth cutting surface, electric servo drive, integrated punching and shearing automatic programming, C-type high rigid frame, good wear resistance, vibration damping, firmness and stability, independent blades, automatic blade gap adjustment, belt conveyor and workpiece sorting, panel bender. Kaifeng panel bender machine focuses on solving various complex sheet metal bending problems and has multilateral automatic continuous bending function. The product adopts Germany back-off system and has closed-loop control and high bending accuracy. The blank holder tool can automatically change the length basic on the sheet length. Large work table. The maximum processing plate size can reach 3 meters. Automatic and rapid combination of the tools, which is suitable for the processing of kinds of plates, and it is a more sensitive production line. Uncoiling level punching and shearing are integrated. It can realize automatic palletizing, flexible production, labor saving, high automation, and high production. In the future, Kaifeng would continue to provide customers with high-quality products and good services, and strives to become the first-class professional and digital equipment manufacturing enterprise in China.